Right, students, in this video we are going to be studying the theoretical or the theory of gravitation, in particular the universal law of gravitation. And so we just write that up there for gravitation. And so the idea will be this: I'm going to have some object here. It's going to be a basketball, and we're going to compare this initial velocity in the y direction to a final velocity in the y direction. Okay, now remember that if we have this change, and velocity is a vector, this change in velocity in the y direction, it's going to occur over some time period. And if we have a change in velocity in y with respect to time, we call this acceleration. So this is going to be our acceleration in the y. So what we want to do is we want to verify and kind of analyze how we expect gravity to behave. And so this is the ball is going to be attracted to the earth. Okay, so this is the ground down here, and maybe I shouldn't make it like that, but just make it flat, indicating that, you know, we're very close to the earth. Okay, so we already know from theoretical considerations that a sub y should be g, which is just big G, or let me do it like this, it's just the, and I want to make sure that I write this right, it's just going to be the weight of the ball over, is that right? The weight of the ball? Nope. It's going to be the force due to the pull of the earth over the mass of the ball. Okay, so this should be something like 9.81 to 9.77 meters per second squared. So we know this. If we were to look at it a little bit more theoretical, we would have G is equal to the mass of the ball times the mass of the earth over the radius of the earth squared. Okay, so we don't know the mass of this basketball. I could go and weigh the basketball that my son has. We don't necessarily know it. We don't really need it. We're just trying to verify this calculation. We've already done this calculation before, okay? But we're going to focus on this calculation here, and we're just going to use video physics and graphical to study this aspect of gravitation. So in the next video, we're going to actually look at, we're going to go ahead and analyze the video with video physics.